At this point in time, if you're not running an online business, you are actually missing a lot. If you're only scrolling on social media, watching videos, entertaining yourself without your smartphone, then you are missing a whole lot. Okay, right now in 2026, people are building businesses by selling prompts online. You can actually sell prompt, the same prompt that you use to generate your video, the same prompt you use to generate your image, same prompt you use to build your application, run your YouTube channel, run your blog. Anything you do with prompt, you can sell the same prompt over and over again on this platform, which I'm about showing you in this very video. And if you go to those applications, if you go to your chat list, you're going to see list of chats on that particular application, and each of those chats are basically prompt you gave this particular AI to give you a certain stuff. Do you know that you can actually compile all of those prompts and what they gave you, the result they gave you, to an ebook file, then sell it out on this platform? As you can see right here, this very section right here, people are selling their prompt, the prompt they use to generate most of these images right here. As you can see, they are all selling it for a specific price, and you yourself can actually do this. This is not really hard, it is very much easy to create. But what you need to do is simply go to those applications you've been using all these years, all this month, all right, whether ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, any other stuff. Okay, go through them, then each of those results that you like so much, copy the prompt that gave you that result, then paste it to a particular PDF. Do that for all the prompts you've been using and title it a name, a prompt pack. Okay, then go to Google Doc and compile all of these prompts to a document. Okay, when you compile them, then export this document as PDF. This is going to simply be like a digital ebook, okay, where people can actually buy. Okay, and you have to make sure you have correct prompt and also result they can actually give. Okay, make sure each prompt corresponds with the result, so that if your buyers get them, they'll be able to appreciate you. Okay, not just selling only prompt, you are going to simply be selling the prompt and the result as well, so that they will be able to use that same thing and get the result. Okay, and with that, people are going to simply buy this from you. And if you have this ebook or PDF fully created for you, so I'm going to be giving you 7 simple websites where you can sell this prompt. The best part is that you can sell this prompt in any of them at the same time, and you don't have to worry yourself about traffic, because this platform right here, people knows them, a whole lot of people knows them, and it is popular. These platforms are all popular, and people come to this very section to search for prompt pack to buy. Okay, and if they discover that your own is useful, they can actually buy from you. This is a digital product you can actually create for yourself for free without even having to spend money, and you can do this with just your mobile phone, like I showed you right here. I just decided to use my mobile phone for this, so that you won't cry that you don't have laptop for this. Most of you will cry about laptop, but you can actually do this with your mobile phone. Okay, so having watched that particular video, right now these are the 7 platforms where you can actually sell out your prompt pack if you've already created all of them. All right, and the best part is that you can actually sell your prompt pack in all of these platforms all at once. All right, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it right away. The first platform on this very list where you can actually sell out your prompt is prompt.com. So what you need to do is simply come over to this particular platform. This is a marketplace of prompt sellers, prompts that will be used for video generation, image generation, app development, and lots more. Whatever thing you can actually use prompt to do, you can sell it out to the next person on this very platform. This is what they say here. Prompt is the trusted AI prompt marketplace to discover, buy, and also sell verified prompts across all major models, including text, image, video, audio, 3D, and apps. Okay, and there are lots more. Okay, you can actually get on this very section. Okay, and they have over 9,000 prompts on this platform, and also they have 2,000 shops selling prompts on this platform, and also 13,000 users. This particular business model is not really competitive because most people don't really know about it. That is why you're seeing few people doing this particular business. So what you need to do is simply join now that is still early, so you can actually start selling your own prompts that are working for you to the next person. So right, so for you to start selling, click on this start selling button right here, create your account, add your details, and you start selling your prompt on the platform. Right, remember you can create this prompt with your mobile phone. All you need to do is simply compile all the prompts and also their results on a PDF file using Google Doc. Okay, you can download Google Doc application on your mobile phone or go to your browser and search for Google Docs. All right, the next platform on this very list is Prompt Hero. Okay, so we have prompthero.com on this very section. This is a platform where you can actually sell out your prompt. Okay, and millions of people visit on this very platform just to search for prompt they can buy. Okay, so if you can actually compile all those prompts that's been working for you in generating your videos, generating your images, building your application, then you can actually go ahead and sell it on this very platform for a specific price. Okay, so what you need to do is simply come to this very section, and if you want to get started, click on the sign on button right here. When your account is registered, the next thing to do is to go ahead and log in on this video platform. And the best part of this particular website get free traffic from the Taiwan countries. They just want one particular prompt that will work for a specific stuff. All right, so if you can provide that, then they can buy from you. Okay, the next platform to use to sell your prompt right now is promptbase.com. all right, and this is a marketplace of both sellers, freelancers, and lot more. And all of these things right here are centered on prompt. So on this very platform, you don't only sell prompts on this platform, you can as well sell prompts on this platform and provide prompt services. Okay, so for instance, if a user or if a buyer comes in on this very platform and sees that there's a particular prompt he or she is looking for, but that prompt is not on the platform, he or she can hire you from this very page. He or she can hire you to create the prompt for him. Okay, like to create a custom prompt for him. All right, so what you need to do as a seller right now, if you list your prompt for sale, you also make sure you list your gigs for sale. All right, so your gig is your own freelancing services where you can actually offer to different people in different categories. Okay, so what you need to do is simply come over to this video platform, sign up your account, click on the create button, and create your PDF, create your prompt pack, sell it on this video platform, and also create a gig. All right, so that if buyers want a specific prompt, they can actually hire you, then you tell them your own price. Okay, so this is actually a business you can actually start with your mobile phone. All right, so the next platform where you can actually use right now to sell your digital prompt is Sellify. Okay, so remember, this particular prompt pack is not just one particular prompt, it is a combination of different prompts coming together to make a prompt pack. Okay, so if you have like 50 prompts in that same pack, then it has value. If you have 100 prompts in that same pack, it has bigger value. Right, if you have 200, 500, the higher the prompt, the higher the value. Okay, so that when people buy it, they will be able to drop better review, honest review, and also a positive review. Okay, so what you need to do is simply come over to this platform right here, click on the sell button, and launch your sell on this video platform. All right, you can sell prompt on this platform, you can sell print on demand, you can sell PDF, you can sell whatever thing you want to sell, just like the next platform which I'm about showing you in this very video. Okay, so go ahead and sign up. This is a website right here, sellify.com. so the next platform on this very list is dodopayment.com. all right, so this one right here is not basically a marketplace. Okay, so this is just a platform where you can actually upload your file, like upload your prompt pack, then automatically you're going to get a link, okay, a particular link that will lead people to that particular prompt pack, and before they can download that prompt pack, they have to make a payment. Okay, based on the price you put there, they have to pay. All right, and this is a platform that's going to simply help you if you already have audience on YouTube, audience on Facebook, on your blog website, or any platform. All right, so if you have a specific stuff that those audience want and you want to actually sell it, what you need to do is simply come to this platform, add it on this platform, get a link for it, share it to them, and they can buy from your link. Okay, and on this same platform, you can also create a simple one-page store for yourself where you list out all your product. Okay, remember, this is not a marketplace where you see other people selling the same thing you are selling, but this one right here is just like a one-man's store. All right, so what you need to do right now, go ahead and register your account, log in your account, and you start selling your prompt pack right now on this very platform. Okay, so if you're getting value from this very video, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and also tell me if you want me to make a separate video, one video tutorial on how you can actually create this prompt from scratch, sell it in a particular platform, and also show you the whole workflow on how to get traffic to this particular prompt. Let me know in the comment section. If I see your comment, then I will know that you have interest in this particular video or topic, then I will make a video. My upcoming video will be about it. Okay, but if I don't see your comment, we'll move on to the next topic. All right, the next platform on this very list where you can actually sell out your prompt pack is flowgpt.com. all right, this is a popular platform where people come in to buy prompt. Okay, you can sell prompt, you can buy prompt. Create your account on this video platform, sign into your account, and you start creating your product. Okay, so those products are prompt pack. All right, and the last but not the least platform where you can actually sell out your prompt right now in 2026 without stressing it is gumroad.com. all right, on this platform you can actually sell out different digital products. As long as it's a digital product, you can sell it from PDF to ebook, from ebook to novels, from novels to APK file. You can sell softwares, you can sell softwares, website, you can sell subscription package, membership, anything, name them, you can sell all of them on this very platform. And the best part is that the platform is worldwide. No matter where you're watching from, you can actually sign up, you can sign in, and also you can actually buy whatever thing you want to buy. Okay, and with this platform you can also sell your prompt pack. What you need to do is simply get your file fully ready, get the details of your file, the name of the prompt pack, the details of the prompt pack. If you don't know how to generate all of these things, go to ChatGPT, give you the name of your prompt pack. It is going to simply give you full detailed listing content that you can actually use to list your product on this very platform. Okay, so what you need to do is simply go ahead and sign up to this section right here that says start selling. Make sure you register as a seller, not a buyer. Okay, as long as you want to sell your stuff right here on this very platform. Okay, these are the best platforms where you can actually sell out that same prompt that has been working for you. So if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Right, see you in the next update.